This is the elevated pigeon stretch. The most ideal way to introduce someone with this stretch is through a bench, an incline bench that's adjustable. So you're going to put your leg up on the bench, put the foot down at the base of the bench where the angle starts, and that's going to allow you to gently work your leg down lower and lower towards the ground. Now, a couple different options that you have with this. You can kind of shift your body side to side where you move yourself towards the side, or you can rotate into the stretch. You'll find that there's a slightly different stretch between both of them, whether it's the shifting the hips or if it's the rotation into it. Work on the one that you feel gives you the biggest stretch, or you can work on them both. If you don't feel a stretch with either, it's likely that we need to start lowering the bench down towards the ground. Now, the idea of this, a lot of people will get lateral knee pain when they do the full pigeon pose. So that's the purpose of lowering yourself gradually down to the ground so that you can keep the knee at a 90-degree angle while you focus on either shifting the hips to the side or rotating towards the downside hip. You're going to hold that stretch for a desired time period. Generally speaking, it's 20 seconds at a minimum, upwards of a minute to a minute and a half in this position. And then finally, again, if you don't have a bench, things that work well for this at home is a bed. Generally speaking, a bed puts you at a nice height. The only problem with the bed is that there's no incline, so you make sure that you're not getting any pain on the outside of the knee. If you're getting pain on the outside of the knee, you need to take your shin and knee angle out of 90 degrees and pull your shin back in towards you so it takes a little bit of pressure off of your knee and gradually work towards that 90-degree angle. If you don't have a bench available to you in the gym that's adjustable, you can often use plyo boxes or stacking some different boxes on top of each other. This works well too for achieving the right height for the individual. Generally speaking, a 24-inch to about 36 inches is usually right around the right height for most people. The highest that you want to see the box is right up at the waistline. So this video showing here with the boxes, this would be the highest that you would perform the stretch at.